Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and I want to go over my 4 hacks to use your cryptocurrency for the down payment on your home, okay? Now, as of right now in the video at the end of that I'm filming at the end of 2021, it's still very difficult to actually use truly crypto as your down payment, meaning going straight from crypto to closing on the home, okay? And so we're going to go over ways to still be able to use those funds for your down payment. Okay. The issue with crypto is a lot of the companies that are holding this, like Coinbase, don't really issue regular statements like what a bank account does, which is one of the reasons why it falls into an issue there, along with the ups and downs of currency and cryptocurrency and lending being conservative in that regard. All right. But the first thing is this: you could always sell your crypto, okay? And then for FHA and Fannie Mae conventional loans, you have to provide 2 months of bank statements. So without having to address the crypto, you would want to sell it and then wait until after you have 2 months of bank statements not showing that deposit, okay? Because then it would not have to be disclosed, doesn't have to be addressed. But here's my first hack. Freddie Mac, which is another loan approval system and company and whatnot for conventional loans, only requires 1 month of bank statements. Okay? So that gives you a little bit more freedom there, because let's be honest, crypto, with the way it's volatile up and down, you want to have as much control as you can of when you sell the crypto. So you don't want to force yourself into being, having to sell, liquidate it, and then maybe there's a spike or you're selling at the bottom or whatever it is, okay? So that's hack number 1. Hack number 2, you could always borrow against your 401k, right? And then sell the crypto and pay back that loan. So that's hack number 2. You could get a gift from family for your down payment and then use the crypto to pay them back, to get it worked outside of closing. So that's something to think about, and that'll give you more freedom for when you sell your crypto. And then here's another one. When it comes to conventional loans, if you have retirement accounts or stocks, bonds, savings accounts, whatever, that have 20% more than you need for closing, okay? So let's say you need $100,000 for closing, but you have $120,000 in your retirement accounts, right? 401k or a savings account or whatever, okay? Then you actually don't have to show that you liquidated those funds or where your down payment and funds are coming from. So if you have $300,000 in your 401k, but you only need $100,000 for closing, then we would get the 401k statement to show that. And then you would sell your crypto, go to closing, and then everything would be all the same. You wouldn't have to show that the crypto was what was your down payment. And that's my 4th hack. All right. So a lot of people would tell you that you can't, or a lot of lenders will tell you that you can't use crypto as your down payment. The truth of the matter is you need to know what your options are for liquidating that, and then where to put it, how to aggressively help you get in a house. You want to be proactive on this thought process before you put an offer on a home. And you want to give yourself the utmost control of when you're going to sell or need to sell that crypto. Because let's be honest, there could be big swings up or down that could benefit you or hurt you. And you want as much control of that as possible. You don't want to be put into a corner where you had to liquidate it and you had to do these things because you weren't able to plan it out in advance. You weren't working with a lender who understands crypto, understands what you're up against, and get creative on how to structure it. All right? So those are my 4 hacks for using your cryptocurrency for your down payment and how to structure it from a mortgage standpoint. All right? Call or email me anything. Comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you found my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.